Today I'm taking a look at the smartue 600-pound big and tall office chair. Super big, super heavy duty. This definitely looks like it is designed for somebody like me. I also mean that we just have a super wide width. So cushion to cushion, we're looking at about 22 inches. So that includes the armrest. Nice leather feeling material. Nice stiff cushion on there, so you're not just going to sit through it. Do have a little bit of a footrest on there that can swing back and forth, and if you want to tow that away, just flip it and it'll drop in. You can turn that on. Now we do have vibration here in the lumbar as well as the back. On the bottom we got two panels. That is for our lift and for our tilt lock. I'm a fairly thick boy, but this actually matches me pretty well. It does roll around very easily. If you just want to kind of scoot yourself across the floor, you can do that with this. Let's go ahead and hit that tilt. There we go. So yeah, I mean, I could just use this as a makeshift bed if I need to. Oh, that actually feels really good. Get this back just a little bit. There we go. Quite often with a chair, especially if I'm in a reclining position, kind of wants to lean off and to the right. So like this thing feels like it's actually holding me up. This is going to be an excellent choice.